You might look at me and think I'm just not a foreign exchange student, that I'm only interested in studying and spending time with my friends from our own culture. Oh, yo, what up? Well, you'll be very wrong. My name is Dongjun Lee, but you can call me DJ or Lee. I am 16 and I'm a student at Auckland Grammar School. I'm a Kiwi Korean and a Samoan dancer. I joined my school's Samoan dance group a year ago to meet new people and because I love dancing. I'm alone here. My parents sent me away from Korea when I was 8 years old. But I don't resent my parents because they're just trying to create the best future for me. In the Samoan group, I feel like I belong, like I'm part of a family. The first sign-up that I went to was at a lunchtime, and I was so scared to go into the room as well because I expected, when I first walked into the room, shocked face. But I walked in, everyone's like cheering and like clapping, like, ooh, it's like Asian in the Samoan group now,
1 minute, take off your t-shirts, quick.
When they first asked us to take our top off, I was like, huh? I was only like top off, but I feel like I was like fully naked on like school grounds. So I was like, oh my God. You're in the group, you're part of the group. You really look different and stuff. But once I took my shirt off, it's just like we're one as a whole group. In Korea, it's not normal to get interested in other cultures. We usually focus more in our own family, which is why some of my friends think I'm nuts. My parents, though, have encouraged me to make the most of my time in New Zealand as long as I keep doing my studies. 네, 아빠.
그러니까 너 학교 생활은 어떠냐?
학교 생활은 잘 지내고 있습니다.
동주가 지난번에 서머 그룹 댄싱 한다고 했는데 그거 어떻게 잘 하고 있냐?
사모안 그룹은 잘 되고 있고요. 방금 연습 시작했습니다.
만약에 네가 생각이 있으면 이왕이면은 춤도 추지만 좀 리더로서 활동할 생각은 없니?
제가 그 리더 쪽을 생각해 본 적은 없어요. 왜냐면 제가 한국이기 때문에 또 이게 보는 사람들이 많고 하니까 저한테 부담감이 있지 않을까 그렇게 생각 때문에 예.
그리고 지난번에 아빠가 네가 뭐 리더가 된다 하는 건데 그건 잘 하고 있어? 내 아빠가 생각하기에는 그냥 팀 멤버도 좋은데 이왕 하는 김에 리더로서 활동하면 너의 리더십도 좀 키워주고 도움이 되지 않을까?
그 아빠 말을 잘 생각해보고 좀 더 제가 생각해서 다시 말씀드리겠습니다.
그래.
건강하시고 잘
그래.
지내세요. 들어가세요.
그래, 알았다.
네. My father would like me to be a leader, and it's important to make my father proud. So I made a big decision that I'm gonna try out for the conductor for my Samoan dance group. You're leading your Samoan group, like 40 boys, so you need to get the beat right, you need to say the lyrics right. So yeah, I really want that. My tutor name is Tavale, and I think he'll be kind of surprised that a non-Samoan to actually try out for the Faleo'o role.
Oh, okay. How serious are you about this?
It's pretty serious to me and pretty important as well.
Okay. Okay, have a sit down and discuss it. Would you have any worries being conductor or the leader of the group?
What I'm worrying about is like the point of view of the audience, because I want them to see me as a Auckland Grammar Faleo'o leader, but I don't want to see me as a non-Samoan leading the Auckland Grammar group, if you know what I mean.
Okay, so you're more worried about the audience than the roles and responsibilities it takes to be the leader of the group?
Well,
I really want to get to the core of why you have so much passion for it.
Well, like, you guys will like care about each family, so much different to my culture, and maybe some way that our culture should learn it from your culture.
Okay, so a few Samoan values I just want to tell you. The most important one is respect, which is Faleo'o, love, which is alofa, and the first and most important is God first.
I think I'll try to understand the culture more so I can actually lead the group better. It actually motivates me more to know more about the Samoan culture. Yeah.
Okay, so what you need to do is prove that you have the determination and willpower to lead the group. You, firstly, being non-Samoan, it's difficult. So me and the other tutors would decide who we think is the best to lead the group.
So after talking to Tuvale, I feel like there's so much more responsibility of being the conductor and the Faleo'o. The tutors want to see like who actually put the most effort and is really passionate about the group and have the ability to lead the group. I do really, really want the role, so I will be practicing really hard during the week. It's only a week away for me to try out for the leadership role for my Samoan culture group. I'm nervous, but I'm so excited as well to show tutors what I have got and my passion towards the Samoan culture group. I still feel like I have so much more to learn. I'm reaching out for help, so I'm meeting this guy who is an expert in traditional dance. Hi, my name is Dongjin. Yeah, my English name is DJ.
DJ, nice to meet you,
yeah.
DJ. I'm Sophie.
Sophie, hi Sophie, how you
Nice to meet you,
doing?
my man.
So I got this trial next Saturday. Is there any tips that you can give me from it? Like,
Show me that slap that you been learning.
it's not really slap dance, but it's you know.
Yeah, no.
So like we start sort of jump, so it's like jump, jump, kick, kick, jump, jump, kick, and I go 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, hit, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we say our school's name, AGS.
Wow.
Yeah. So
wow.
how did that look so far?
Slap dance, you can freestyle it. You just run in there, you pretend like there's flies everywhere or mosquitoes everywhere, and you start slapping everywhere. You can slap it twice. That's the one.
Oh, okay,
That's the one.
okay. So like, okay.
Yeah, so you just go sideways. That's the one.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's a really traditional way of doing it.
That's the real traditional way, man.
Okay.
Hey, so you are the warrior. So you leading your team to a war. So basically, you can tell them whatever you want. You can to Lolo. You can always tell them to stand up. I'm serious.
can
You can
you?
tell them to stand up.
Can you?
Tell them to copy what you're doing. I reckon you just run in there, go Talofa, like that. And then when they say Talofa, you just turn around like, yeah, whatever. That sort of thing.
How would like the audience and like how other people see me that like imagining a Korean guy leading the Samoan group?
To be honest with you, man, be you. Come up with something to make them laugh. You feel me?
Yeah.
This guy.
This guy. I actually got some really good information about like how I should like react and how I can be a better conductor. So Saturday trial is gonna be really hard, but still I'm just gonna try to be the best conductor, best leader as I can, and give it the best shot that I can do. Today's the day that my Samoan tutors would choose to forgive me, and I'm really excited. I think I have the capability, but there are still other potential ones, such as William. He's a Samoan, so he's one of the competitive ones that I'm like really worried about.
Okay, boys, trying to look for a frontline man that'll represent the whole group. But remember, you're not only representing yourself, but you're representing Auckland Grammar as well. The whole school, all 2,000 plus students here. All the very best. Tamale kalama. Malu. Hatsia. Hatsia. Dua. Dua. Hey, hey. Ho. Hey, hey. Ho. North. First up will be William. Ska William. Okay, next up, Sky Lee.
Batsia!
Batia, Lobati, Lobati. Hey, hey, ho, hey, hey, ho. Lion, Snake, no, Louis, Salafatas, Fa.
Okay, stay there. Relax. I just gotta talk with the tutors and we'll decide who be our Fuataimi for this year. Sweet as. Yeah. That's We wish we could choose two. Unfortunately, we can only pick one. The person we've chosen to lead our group for this year, 2016, is Lee.
Okay. So I just got the role for the conductor of my group. Like, what? Like, it's just so amazing, you know, to actually represent my group, my school for Korean boy, you know? I'm really proud of myself that I'm actually really proud to be actually in Samoan group, and I'm even more proud now that I'm actually leader of the Samoan group. So Viliamu invited me for a family dinner over. I got the conducting role, but Viliamu didn't. So hopefully they won't hate me.
Hi, Mom. This is my friend DJ.
Hey,
Oh, so this is the Fuataimi. Have a seat, DJ.
yeah, all right,
Have a seat. Oh, nice
Thank
meeting
you.
you. I was quite upset when I came to pick him up and I said to William, what's the Asian boy doing Fuataimi? I was expecting a Samoan. What makes you want to learn our culture, Samoan culture?
The Samoan culture feels like family, you know, like you guys are just so happy and, you know, funny all the time. You know, you guys don't really depend on the technology, but then how Korean, fully depended on technology, that, without technology...
Do you think we're behind?
No. No. It's that we need technology to talk to, neighbors.
Really?
You know, how you doing? So it's, quite different to your culture. Yeah, it's just the way that the Samoan culture is that I want to bring it into my culture.
So, William, what do you think about the GJ being chosen as your Fuataimi?
I really wanted the role. I didn't expect him to get it, but you know, he's done a really good job with Fuataimi, and he's got all the boys hyped up, and yeah, just can't wait till the actual day because it'll really give a shocker to the other schools having a unique Fuataimi.
Maybe I wasn't happy on the day that I saw you Fuataimi because I was expecting a Samoan boy doing it, but now I'm thinking about it. I would like to see other different country or student like you doing that role, and it's really nice. Good on you.
I've never done anything like that before. You know, it almost reminds me of being home. You know, I haven't felt like that since I was back with my own family. Now I feel more pressured of becoming a grateful gamey, but I'm gonna put more effort into it to go up on the stage and make everyone who believes in me proud.
My first big challenge as Fuataimi has arrived. My school will be competing at Polyfest, the biggest Polynesian secondary school festival in the world. There'll be about 20,000 people. As preparation, I've been asked to meet with community elders to gain their blessing before the performance. Meeting the elders is a big deal for me.
So there's DJ one. Hello, hello.
Yeah, sit down, brother.
DJ is going to be Fuataimi for Auckland Grammar. So yeah, I'd like to dedicate this cover drink to DJ. You've been called upon to represent not only Samoa, but you represent your family. So, you know, that's a huge honor and not many people can do it. You, brother, the chosen one for your school, for this time and this age. You've been chosen, so that's a huge honor. And today you're part of our family. Gonguia.
Oui, c'est fou.
First, I want to thank God
Nice, Maru.
for giving me this opportunity and inviting me to, you know, this great environment and acknowledge to the Fofali here and I'll acknowledge the community. Yeah, so Manuia.
Say four.
Hello?
Maru.
Don't lose your vibe. And all the best.
I'm beginning to feel the sense of belonging in the Samoan culture, but at the same time, I realize the Fuataimi needs a signature style. I'm wondering I can enhance what I've learned about the Samoan culture by adding the Korean cheekiness into the performance. So I'm going back to CSOP for more coaching. Thank you so much for last time you helping me out, but I think like I need a bit of more help. Our Polyfest performance is next week, so I really want to represent my school pretty well, but like, you know, I'm not too sure like what my style really is.
Show me what you got, my man.
Right, sweet. So, Faleo'o Samoanu afnu pele afifio tama ainga matama.
Is there any Korean moves that you're gonna bring in your performance?
I know it's really popular, but then like Gangnam Style, so it was like one of the like really popular songs that you know. And I'd be like la 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 hey la 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 la, you know. What if it's a good idea? You know.
I reckon I like the one that you turn around.
Oh yeah.
That, yeah.
Turn around, oh,
Yeah.
and then do like a little Korean cheeky move, you know, for the crowd, you know, kind of like oh, you know, la 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 la, hey la 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 la, hey hey.
It's way different, eh?
Yeah.
Make sure you shake it, man. That's the whole point.
Yeah, okay. La 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 la.
You got it.
Love it. Got it. Oh, thank you. This is it. Today is the day. I've been working towards this for so long and putting so much effort into it. I'm not sure how the audience is going to take me on the stage as being Korean, but I'm just going to perform all I've got. I'm just going to own the stage today.
Okay, listen, we've told you everything we could. Now, it's up to you guys, okay? And Lee, own it, eh? Let's do it.
Next performance school, Auckland Grammar School. Olato Fuataimi, the sungai a DJ Lee. Please for Fuataimi, Auckland Grammar School.
First of all, congratulations, man. It's all done. Well done. Really proud of you. You can tell by the reaction of the crowd. they all loved it today, so well done. When I first started tutoring you, you were really shy, shy and innocent, but yeah, different story now. It's amazing what 1 year does.
So what do you think about me doing like a bit of Korean style and like Gangnam Style and stuff?
But like I said before, hey, you earn it. Earn it, make it your own, and I'm so happy you added your own style and flavour to it, and just blossomed today. To be honest, I wouldn't have anyone else but you. Yeah, man, so proud of you. Congratulations, finally over. All the best, man.
I started in this group, friendship and dance, but I ended up with so much more. I've gained acceptance into Samoan community and family. They embraced me despite my difference and even allowed me to bring my own unique style to their culture. I think we can all learn from their welcoming attitude, especially my own culture. This experience will give me strength as I move into my future and I'll always be Fa Samoa. Manuia.
Supporting local content so you can see more of New Zealand on air.